SMTP2GO is a powerful email marketing tool that could potentially transform how you manage your email campaigns. But before you make the decision to invest in it, there are a few things you need to know. Stick with me till the end because by the time you're done watching, you'll have a clear picture of whether SMTP2GO is the right tool for you and how it compares to other email services like SendGrid, Mailgun, and Postmark. First off, let's talk about reliability. One of SMTP2GO's standout features is its focus on uptime and deliverability. Unlike some competitors that experience downtime or delays, SMTP2GO has consistently high uptime, which is crucial if you're running important email campaigns for your business. If your emails don't land in the inbox, they're essentially useless, right? That's why SMTP2GO has built a reputation for delivering emails reliably, making it a strong contender in this space. Next thing to consider is the ease of integration. If you've ever worked with email API services, you know some can be a nightmare to integrate. SMTP2GO, however, offers a straightforward integration process. Whether you're using WordPress, Shopify, or another platform, their API and SMTP setup are simple and quick to implement. This ease of integration is something that SMTP2GO has over competitors like Mailgun, which can sometimes be more complex to integrate for non-technical users. The third thing you should know is the pricing structure. SMTP2GO offers a transparent pricing model with a free plan to get started. Their paid plans scale with usage, but even at the entry level, it provides good value for small businesses or startups. This is a big plus, especially when compared to SendGrid, where their free plan can quickly become restrictive, forcing users into higher tier pricing. SMTP2GO keeps things simple and affordable, which is important if you're just starting out or if you're running small to medium-sized campaigns. The fourth thing you need to keep in mind is the reporting and analytics. SMTP2GO provides detailed insights into your email performance, including open rates, click-through rates, and bounce rates. This level of detailed tracking is great if you're someone who likes to dig deep into your campaign's performance. It's worth mentioning here that while Mailgun also offers good reporting, SMTP2GO's user interface is more intuitive, making it easier to digest the data even for beginners. Now let's talk about customer support. One of the major pain points with email services is getting timely help when you need it. SMTP2GO stands out with its responsive customer support. Their team is available via live chat, email, and even phone support. This is crucial when you're running time-sensitive email campaigns. In comparison, SendGrid's customer support is often criticized for response delays, especially on lower-tier plans, which could potentially hurt your business if you run into technical issues. The sixth thing you should know is that SMTP2GO is built for scalability. As your business grows, SMTP2GO can grow with you. Whether you're sending thousands of emails a month or millions, it can handle large volumes without a hitch. For those running high-volume campaigns, this is a critical feature, and SMTP2GO's ability to scale up without compromising performance gives it a leg up over other services like Postmark, which may not be as flexible in handling large volumes. Lastly, SMTP2GO security features deserve a mention. Security is a big concern for email marketers, especially when dealing with customer data. SMTP2GO offers robust security measures, including two-factor authentication and dedicated IP addresses on higher-tier plans. This ensures that your email campaigns are not only safe, but also comply with industry standards for email security. This security aspect puts it ahead of some competitors like Mailgun, which may require additional configuration for certain advanced security features. If you want to give SMTP2GO a try, make sure to click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits. This will give you full access to the service so you can explore its features in depth. Whether you're a small business or scaling up, SMTP2GO provides the reliability, ease of use, and value that can make a difference in your email marketing strategy.